Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if the snipping tool roller is missing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So the absence of the roller can be attributed to various factors including a malfunctioning app, corrupted system files, and general software glitches that occasionally occur within the operating system. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to repair and reset a snipping tool. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I combinations to open settings. And once settings is open and navigate up, so click this apps on our right sides, and then you need to click this installed apps. And under here at installed apps, so you can say this search app, and then you need to type snipping tool. So once you type this snipping tool, and automatically it appear this snipping tool, Microsoft Corporations, and on right side, and then you need to click this three dot and then select these advanced options. So once it opens the advanced options, and then scroll down and select this reset. So if this app isn't working right, and we can try to repair it. So you need to tap this repair and wait to complete the repair process. And repair process complete. If this app still isn't working right, and then reset it. So you need to tap this reset, and then this will permanently delete apps data of this device, including your preferences and sign-in details, and then you need to tap this reset and wait to complete the reset process. Okay, so reset procedure complete. So in the next solutions we will do is to repair system files. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. So here and search for apps, then type CMD, or this what we call command prompt, and then you need to right click and tap run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then tap yes. And once administrator command prompt is open, and then we need to enter this command keyword dsm space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. So you need to use this keyboard shortcut Control plus C to copy this command keyword, and then we need to paste in here. Use this keyboard shortcut Control plus B to paste and press enter. And deployment image servicings and management tool. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. And the restore operations completed successfully. And the next command keyword that we need to enter, so just type this command keyword sfc space slash scan now. So in all small letter, and then slash scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. And finally, verification 100% complete. So, and then next step, so we need to close this CMD. In here is start menu, and you need to restart. Okay, so tap this restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix snipping tool roller missings on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.